Hello friends, how are you doing? I hope everyone will be fine. So friends, I am from Human Resource Jobs in London, UK, from London Classified and Facebook page. So guys, in this video, I will show you how to get jobs in London and how to apply. So it's very easy and simple process. So this time now I am showing today's latest job. So guys, this is new and updated job, administrative officer required in London. So let's check out the details and requirement for the job. Administrative officer required in London at a Smart Move Education Group. Our students come from all over the UK to study with one of our higher education university partners. The students start an exciting journey of higher education learning as well as meeting new friends. Smarter Move Education Group strive to make students' dream of studying in a good university come true through our staff that share the same passion. This is a fantastic job opportunity for you to join and play an essential role working closely with several well-known universities, and in our student journey you will report to and work closely with the Director of Marketing Administration and Student Recruitment to deliver an outstanding service. Key responsibilities. In this exciting job role, you will take the lead and support students with the delivery of efficient student support services. This support includes familiar with face-to-face customer service, calling a student and maintain a tracker, give advice to a student about the university and courses, including applicant documentation preparation such as photocopy and scanning, preparing their CV and personal statement, good at speaking and writing English, help student online application and follow-up, live with partner university college, arrange interview with university college and prepare them for interview, dealing with representative, handling office tasks such as filing, generating reports and presentation. You will track and monitor students' application at various stages and be a key person both internally and externally. Experience and qualification. To be successful in this role, you will need to be someone that can work on your initiative and be a team player. We are looking for a confident person who will communicate effectively with a wide range of people. The role is varied, so you will need to be flexible and adaptable with your approach to managing your workload and taking on new challenges. So below the key experience you will need to have to be considered. Previous experience working in educational environment. Prefer someone to have degree or relevant proven customer service skill, excellent telephone manner, good knowledge of Microsoft Office, in a particular Word and Excel skills, meticulous attention to detail, speaking Bulgarian, Croatian, Czech, Danish, Dutch, Estonian, Finnish, German, and these languages would be advantageous. Key benefits: working in collaboration with a top-tier university, working with students from diverse backgrounds, and exciting young company backed by many years of educational management experience, a great opportunity to make your mark and put your own stamp on growing company, a competitive salary opportunity, progress within the company. Applicant must have right to work in the UK. So guys, these are the details and requirement for the job. So guys, administrative officer required in London. So guys, if anyone interested in this job, so you can easily apply and send your updated CV by use first link. So guys, you must have a previous experience in relevant field, then you can eligible for this job and you can easily apply. So guys, salary and other benefit not mentioned in the details, so it will be discussed at the time of interview. So guys, I hope you understand. So guys, this link is very helpful for you. This is a website link. In this website, daily basis job update and many other categories job available in the website. So you can easily visit and search jobs and you can easily apply. So first of all, you will watch this video. This video is very helpful for you to apply job. So guys, I hope you understand. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new updated video notification. So friends, thank you. Thanks for watching.